Hi guys, thank you for watching Craft Door today. Today's project is very simple. We're using items that you would have in your recycle bin. So let's get started. I went ahead and paper mache my project. It got sunburned. Now make sure to secure your working area because working with cornstarch can get really messy. Oh, and another thing, this project will take a lot of paper towel, but it'll be worth it at the end. It's looking good already, guys. What do you think? I mean, from this point, there's so many options. You can also plaster over this and you have no worries. Guys, I promised you something simple, and there you have it. Very simple for beginners. And the sun is out. Perfect. Just the way I wanted it. Guys, once it's dry, I'm telling you, beautiful, just gorgeous. And there you have it. Simple, beautiful, modern vase. You can seal it or you can put plaster over it. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, in Craft Doors, we work with everything recyclable. Don't forget to subscribe.